this is interesting and amazing. Today on the 17th of July 2024 we have, what was the address by the way?
Luhtikatu 4, staircase D.
Yes, Luhtikatu 4, staircase D. We have only the staircases E and this, it's F and G left here.
Yeah.
Because H is filmed also. But here they have FB6, but F, G, and then the filmed H are FBS.
Yeah.
With 1960 number, Kone's number is H18012 with the FB6 pictures. Let's try to get the rights here. Late 1960 now, here's 1970. I love the smell here.
Same here.
And I love the sounds also.
Same.
Also Liipola, Lahti, Finland.
Tippaa kivaa, kun täältä menee tippaa Kone.
Ja bäst ses för att jag inte för The Walmart dinner print is building up from the beginning of 1970.
Yeah.
So that's it, thanks for watching.
That's